My name is Blanka Amezkua. I am formally trained as a painter, but for quite some time, for the last maybe 4 years, I've been actually creating work using the tradition of Papel Picado. During the residency in Wave Hill, I've been working with a very traditional technique from Mexico, a paper cutting technique. It's part of Mexican history. It was mostly used for Day of the Dead. You know, you would hang the banners to announce the presence of the souls. So whenever you see the Papel Picado, move in the altars, for us it really represents that soul is coming back to greet you, to be present with you during that time. But now we use, of course, Papel Picado for any festivity, and traditionally it is made with using a variety of chisels and hammer. The nature of the work that is created based on the fact that I happen to be in a garden. For example, the Papel Picado has basically the shapes and forms of the plants that I'm surrounded by. So for the gala, I'm actually creating pieces that are inspired by the forms and the different elements I found in some of the herbs and the herbs in our herb garden. This will be the first time that I will create such a large installation. I'm really just excited to see what will happen after that.